All right, guys, just to help you with tonight's homework, I'm going to do examples number 2 and number 3. So what we're going to do is find the inverse algebraically, exactly like how we were doing it in class. So instead of calling this g of x, I'm going to start off by just calling it y, and that's just going to make things easier for me, so I'm not dealing with g parentheses, x parentheses. Just going to call it y for now. And my first step is to turn it into x equals negative 21 to the y power plus 21. So remember, step 1 is to just flip these two things, that and that. Flip them. All right. Now I'm going to try to solve for y. So I'd like to get rid of this 21. I can't do that, though, until this negative is gone. And I can't do that until I get rid of this 21 right here. So first thing I'm going to do is subtract 21 from both sides. And now I have x minus 21 equals negative 21 to the y power. Now I'm going to get rid of that negative sign. So you could either divide by negative 1 or you could multiply both sides by negative 1. Whichever you do, you just have to make sure that you do it to everything on this side and everything on this side. So on the left-hand side, I have to distribute, and that's going to be negative x plus 21. On the right-hand side, I'm going to have a positive 21 to the y power. And now I can finally get that 21 out of there by using a logarithm. So I'm going to have log base 21 of negative x plus 21, and I'm going to say that it's g inverse of x, not y. Remember, y is just something we use to help us get to the final answer. All right, this is similar, but now instead of starting with an exponential and turning it into a log, we're going the other way around. So now I have log base 4 of x equals h of x. So first, same thing, I'm going to call this y for now. And I'm going to flip my x and y. Now I have to solve for y. So remember, just like how we can take an exponential and turn it into a logarithm, we can do the same thing with a logarithm. I'm just going to take that base, swing it over here, and now we have 4 to the x power on that side. The log disappears, and now I'm left with y. But remember, in our final answer, we don't want to call it y. We want to call it h inverse of x. All right, hopefully that helps you guys. I know I didn't do all the problems, and I know I didn't do the hard ones, but I want you to think. All right, so good luck, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.